entries somewhere. That wow, this place looks what the water.
The water, come.
The water looks so clean and
So watch the. So yes, I hope you're enjoying what I'm showing you. So this is it. Best I love here. So over there you have the cruise ship. So I guess we have to come here early tomorrow so we can get some swim on. Right, so now.
Yeah, here we are representing good vibes.
Good vibes. Hey, Jamaica. So this is the Margaritaville.
People always sit here until it's faded.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love. Good morning. So, first morning here in Ocho Rios. First morning here, and we're here. Oliver brought me here already. So, you know, so while I'm here in Ocho, I got to tell them, so boy, Oliver bring me here, some Carla, they bring me here. So, you know, Ocho is a place we've been to a lot of time, you know, because of Oliver and Carla. You know, we're the members them as well too. So, we're here again once more. So, Oliver take us to that spot already where we could have breakfast, so that's the spot I'm going to take Digi to, you know, because she wants some breakfast. So I'm going to take you where Oliver takes me, you know, so at least I know places, you know. Big up yourself, Oliver and Carla. So we're here at Oliver's spot, you know, in Ocho Rios. So big up yourself, Oliver and Carla. So we're going to get something to eat, and we're here, you know, mall that we've been to already, you know. In here you got a lot of shopping villages. It's like a shopping village where you can buy food, you can get jewelry, you can get clothes, you can get everything. You know, you have a tourist bus there with all the tourists them in the place. You know, Ocho Rios, you know, is known for its tourist attraction. You know, it's the north coast. We're on the main street right now. There's a turn off from the main street coming here. So most of you probably watching it, probably been here already. Once you've been here to Jamaica, you probably noticed it. You know, it's the main street here in Jamaica, so it's lively. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists here. It's early in the morning, so we're gonna get something to eat, and we're gonna get adapter for the laptop, you know, Type C, because I guess she leave it where she was coming from. So we're on the hunt to get one as well. So I guess we're gonna eat first, and then we're gonna go on the hunt to get one here in the main street. So remember, guys, Kina here represented for Kina Life in Jamaica. So please, if you're watching, the thumbs up. If you haven't, you know, subscribe, you know, let the program grow. So that's all you can do, to subscribe, you know, to make the thing grow, you know, Kina Life in Jamaica. So I thank you all for watching. Thank you each and every one. That's from the Mwango's channel, and also from Chris Muslis, and who else is from around the world watching. So from anywhere you're watching, God bless you and thank you. So stay tuned and enjoy the program and enjoy the vlog. So these in the craft shop here is called Reggae Jam. So I guess, you know, in Reggae Jam, you know, them sell stuff here, mall stuff. As you can see, these are the qualities that you get. Reggae Jam. Good morning.
How are you?
Lovely.
Don't want to get any t-shirt?
My friend's in here, she's looking something.
Okay.
So she's gonna get something as well too.
I'll get something for you also.
Definitely, so I'm gonna look something for myself as well. Yes, so we got the Mongo. Is it okay?
So good.
I never show you anything though, so you cannot blame me, okay?
You are the reason.
You cannot say I'm the reason. We take you to come get food, and you cannot just pass the clothes store without saying.
Guys, Kira is the worst. He always texts me where there are beautiful stuff, like always, all the time.
So how she gonna blame me, right? We was in Fanta and a couple places, and whenever she see anything nice, And I said, D, look, she blame me because she want to get it. You know, now I bring her for her to come get breakfast.
And now here she
And
is.
look where she is.
Bikinis and booty shorts.
Exactly. I know you don't get breakfast in here. You
And
get
I haven't
clothes.
even eaten yet.
So she cannot blame me for this one. I never show it to her. As we come out the car, by the time I turn around, I don't see D. Someone says she's over there. Find a store already for herself. So
I tell you.
cannot blame me.
But this
D.
looks pretty.
Yeah. I like the way she always representing for the Rastas and Jamaica.
Tell you.
And this match as well, Tina. With all the slippers. Hey.
Full-time Jamaican.
Full-time Jamaican.
Now I'm a Kenyan Jamaican.
So me I represent as well. You see the green and black here.
No,
And my, yes, representing Jamaica too. Representing.
So you know this, I get one.
I hope when you get it without them Sakinas because of you know. So you can, if you want, you can get one. But please
Oh my,
don't.
and I have plenty, lots.
So please don't blame me. So you're gonna get that? What do you think, guys? I like this shorts here for me.
Looks so good.
It's nice. One love, Jamaica.
Let me see how much they sell it.
Hey.
$44 US.
Oh, I remember choose.
How much is that? It's like
44
5,000.
US? No, it's more than that.
Like 6. Wow. And
No,
here
about 6, 7. About 6, 7. 6 something to 7.
wow, 6, 7. Wow, and the other one that I have, I bought it like 5,000. Because of the location, right?
Yeah, and then true, this is a tourist attraction place, so you're gonna get mostly US price. You know, as you can see, there's pure
But
tourists
I
here.
have this already. I haven't even worn it.
So don't buy any more then.
Wow, but
There's all tourists here. Welcome to the North Course. Look at the slippers them over there.
where?
There.
And you made me buy this.
I never made you buy anything. I show you stuff and you pick them up yourself. Wow.
This one looks so good. But even this one still looks so good.
Yeah, that does. And this as well. I like this.
Jamaica, me crazy.
Jamaica spend all your money.
Jamaica, me crazy.
In here you spend all your money. Look, you see I have more slippers here.
Yeah. I never see them on the other side.
The more place you walk, look, man, try on a Jamaican jacket. Hey, representing.
So good.
Representing Jamaica. Hey, the land we love. Yeah, so this is Oliver's spot. This is where Oliver take
The
us
music is gone.
for now.
So guys, we're here in this restaurant. We're gonna have our first meal of the day.
Alright, so I'm having salt mackerel and my drinks as my rundown for the breakfast. Good morning, man. I'm all good still. Yeah, man, good thanks. I'm good, man.
What about showing you my shop? Can I show you my shop over here?
Yeah?
Can I show you my shop? What is that?
Probably next time. Not now.
Just to look, I do like Eric.
No, I'm good, man. I'm good. Big up.
You don't want to look?
Hey, yes, guys. So I just finished having breakfast. While I was having breakfast, right here, this man was over there sitting down. You know, everyone passing by. So I guess he was. I feel bad. I'm sitting over here eating, and he's right there across from me, like trying to get something to eat, trying to get people attention for him to get something, you know. So you know, me, I don't like eating, and someone else is not even eating, you know. So it's really bad for me because I was eating right over there.
Yeah, that's best.
Right over there, you know. Yeah, so I was literally eating. I was having my breakfast over there, but this man was sitting down right here. Yeah, but everyone walked past. He was trying to get some meal or something, so I'm gonna bless him. You know. D cannot eat and him not eat, so it don't look right. D? D? Ready? Because he's been sitting there.
It's the best. I just forgot when I just came out. I was also thinking about it, but she's the best.
Because I'm eating and see everyone's walking past him. Anyone who's been begging. So let's go to the car.
Alright, guys.
That's alright, thanks.
I have a Lamborghini.
Well, alright, speak it into being. So hopefully I'll get one in the future, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I feel much better now at least if you can have something to eat because, you know, even though it's not supposed to be around here, you know, it's not supposed to be around here because that's how the policy is down here on the North side, you know. Yeah. But I guess he's trying a way out where he can get something to eat, so obviously,
Going to a Lamborghini.
hey,
I want to go get some charger for my laptop.
yeah, so she can get some charger for her laptop, so I guess she left her charger where we're coming from, so we have to be hunting to get one, so hopefully we can get one where she can continue her work. So we're still here, you know, we're on the journey same way. So yeah man, so blessed love to all. Remember, please put the thumbs up if you're watching this far. Put the thumbs up.
I'm so full.
Yeah, eat salt mackerel rundown. You know, Oliver showed me that spot there, you know, when I was down here on the North Coast side.
So good.
Oliver, that spot is booming. You know, like what we see here in Jamaica, we say booming, right, D? So
I'm
D,
so full.
D is so
Can't
full.
even breathe.
She can't breathe. She cannot. Imagine D get the meal and she thinks she could have get another plate of rice. You know, she thinks she could have managed it. So here, I need another plate of rice. That's before the meal come. But once the meal come and she start, she's like, Keen, I'm full. I cannot go. Yeah man, but the rundown was lovely, you know?
Yeah, the best.
Great breakfast. So you say that's not a breakfast at all.
That is lunch. You can't call that breakfast. Hey, Jamaica, oh Lord.
Well, it's good for the road, you know.
So thick, yeah.
It's good right now because guess what? While we're filming, sometimes we forgot to eat.
Yeah.
You know, and while we forgot to eat.
But now 3 meals a day, guys.
Yeah. So we're gonna go down the stretch here on the main street. So people, this is the main street here. Shop. Charger. So everybody bring me one place where they need a charger. So I'm gonna try and take me to that spot. Why, Oliver? You make me know the whole of North course. So right now we can just bring me at the spots then. So over there is where I was, the Moon Palace. So you drive, go down there and go by the Moon Palace. Oliver, Moon Palace, Rasta Messi. Boom. Here's the Moon Palace there. Over there is wonderful day, beautiful. That resort. Hey.
5-star resort.
Hey. When you go over the Moon Palace, it's 2 buildings and everything.
Moon, not
No, it's the Moon Palace over there. That is the Moon Palace. How you doing? Okay? How you liking Jamaica? Good. Like,
Just came in anyway.
you just came?
Yeah.
Was you on the cruise?
No,
Oh,
no, we came in Monday night.
Monday night.
So this is our first time in the Ocho.
Okay. When last have you been back to Jamaica?
Every year we come at this time getting rid of the winter.
Okay, run left the wind. I don't blame you. And the positivity. Is your husband?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, husband. Big up. You know?
Never put that on YouTube, big up.
Big up. I can't move for say.
What's wrong with saying big up?
Yeah. In a year days, we say greetings. Right, uncle?
Right.
Alright, so it's a greetings. It's two different. Uncle are the same 60s, right?
Yeah, that's
60s? See?
Late
60s.
50s,
Near 50s.
late 50s, early 60s.
Well, you still look fit, man. Don't tell nobody that. Don't tell nobody. You're still looking fit, you know. It's from the 50s. Okay.
1950s.
Yeah, he's a 50s man.
Wow, 1950s?
Yeah. This man is before independence, before Jamaica even get independence. Because uncle is strong and fit.
Exercise.
Exercise. Okay, you go gym.
No, sir.
No gym.
Well, what I'm doing, 5K every morning, less than an hour.
Okay, here in do 5K walk in the morning. That's good. That's
Senior citizens in Toronto.
okay. Much ever what the highest you finish?
What? Second.
Second. What? You finish second in the 5K. Hey, and the Jamaican food though. How old I think is? If age can't ever tell me, that's the uncle. She asked me how old I think is what him say 50s, right? Are we in the 2000s now? So hey, come here, help me.
You're
78?
You're talking from when I was born.
Yeah.
36.
How much?
36.
1936?
Right.
1936.
If you want some parties.
Hey. So that 1936. That's how much now, D?
He's asking if
86 December.
Mr. Smith,
It's a
you want some parties?
parties.
they're the
Any
best.
crowd inside it, I don't line up with food, you know, come no in the army.
Alright then, take care, uncle.
Okay.
Keep fit swimming. 1936. Mommy, take care, yeah? Strong man.
Have a nice day.
Alright then, take care. This man born from 1936. Wow. That's a long time, D.
Wow, 1936.
1936. Over there, somebody buy the charger. We walk over there. So this is the shop,
Real street of Ocho.
Main Street.
Real street.
Guess what? Guess what? The pass so many party players and she not saying Kino party. Because what she pull up.
I can't even say anything. You're
Yeah.
surprised, right?
Yeah. We passing, we go this way. We go over check the cover here first. The pass. No. The pass all the party players and no parties. Come. They come. Okay. Yeah. They don't want no party. All of this. We are on the main street. You know, so finally we get a adapter for a charger. So now she can go and edit. You know, edit time and upload because we need videos, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so finally we get that out the way. The 5 pull over something right there. I was say, oh, you're not going good in the island. Well, there's so much little plaza here. There's so much. There's another plaza here as well too. I don't know what's the name. Strictly. So Pier Plaza here. Pier Plaza. So many. AB Motors.
Grato bread.
Graton bread, the favorite, the grotto bread. That's our favorite, the grotto bread. So what's your take on Ocho Rios, D?
Okay, where we are right now, it's just as busy as Kingston. That's what I'm feeling like. We haven't gone to the big side yet, but always the main street is always busy, but still beautiful.
You know them copyright music they have to get cut out every time you walk past it. The main street is loud as well too.
Yeah, so loud.
So loud. That's one thing. Yeah, the main street is active. It's loud. Loud. Loud and proud.
Hello. Hi. One of your subscribers. Ah, thank you. I appreciate it.
Aquino.
Hey.
Thanks for the support.
Big up.
All right.
Thank you. Hey,
Hey.
TV everywhere.
He's coming out.
Thank you so much for the love and support. Ah, your son. All right, thank you.
Hi.
Follow you every day. Thank you, I appreciate it. Today we just met. Can I get a picture with her? Definitely.
Yes,
Oh my God, you guys.
Hey. Hey.
Yes, girl. Here we are. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Follow you a long time. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Everywhere you go, I go.
Thank
The last one was in Tivoli when you went there.
Trenchtown.
Trenchtown, sorry.
It was Trenchtown, man.
Yeah, Trenchtown. I'm gonna come from 7th Street, you know, so I don't know me to get that.
Yeah.
No, you were the one who was doing this. I'm carrying her around, I saw. And the video, I imagine that they have a B&B down there. That's that lady that said she had a B&B.
Yeah,
Okay, Airbnb.
I saw it. I didn't even say we were going to stay here.
The people there
You
are
are
so
brave.
good. I'm brave.
Brave.
Yes, you're apartheid.
Yeah man, and all of them bingy, all of them, all back cooking. Enough respect, see?
Yeah man, cool man, big up yourself. Yeah, so see me just met one of my subscribers. I just met one of my subscribers, D.
Oh, you met one of your subscribers.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Team D. Get it here? Thanks. Yes, I just met one more of my subscribers. So big up on yourself, thank you so much for watching, it's been a blessing, while you are watching and supporting, us by putting the thumbs up and by subscribing, make the program grow. Thank you so much for subscribing to Kina Life in Jamaica ID Mango. So remember, the link will always be in the description for the Mango, and continue to support us by putting the thumbs up, subscribe. Tell a friend about Kina Life in Jamaica ID Mango,
Yeah.
Let's raise the bar high. We're here in the North
You
Coast.
can't reach us.
Yeah, so we're heading back to the car because boy, I have to keep blindfold D so she don't see any more close to her. Because the close to her is like a magnet to her.
Yeah.
Whenever she's passing, it just pull her. I say, come here. She just, I don't know.
But I got something
She got something.
beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see.
So at the end of the day, she got something. So hopefully, I don't know where she's gonna wear that on a date. With a rasta. With a rasta. So it's a rasta man. She just pick out a nice outfit for that ital dinner. Yes, I imagine the ital dinner. You can fly in her ital dinner, taking her ital food. Blessing officer. You like officer? You like officers? Like that food? Huh? No? You say yeah, put the thumbs up this. You know her? See?
Really?
That's one of your subscribers. Go and eat them up.
Oh wow, you watch my video? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Jonathan. You're the best.
See ya.
Thank you,
So I go on.
Big up.
So
Can
see
I
there,
have a
so,
picture with you?
so we have an episode watch your program as well to look at
Hey,
that.
guys, meet my subscribers. You watched my video with Sizzler. Any other?
All of them. So
If you wanna have a picture.
yeah man, go on.
Yeah.
See it there.
Like this and portrait. Thank
Alright.
you so much. It feels so good.
Yeah. That is it.
Portraits.
Alright.
Thank you. You're the best. Thank
Big
you
up,
so
big up
much.
for you. Don't stop watch here. Tell the whole of the station about it same way. Yeah, so big up. So you see
Hey,
there,
it feels so good.
it feels so
guys.
good.
And I just don't know. I just find Jamaican police to be so good and sweet and
Yeah.
and friendly. They're not wearing serious faces.
Yeah.
You know? That's a rare find. So big up Jamaican police. You're the best.
So
it's
see-
never that serious, you know, and I love
say,
that.
the negative one, you see, all police are watching my program, so I'm be careful. When time I not comment and attack anything bad, I will send the law for you. You see me, because the law is watching as well
Oh my
too.
God, thank you. Hey, it feels so good. You guys have no idea. When I was growing up, I wanted to be a police.
Imagine that. Hey,
Wow,
imagine
thank
that.
you so much.
Yeah. Sorry, brother. This way. Yeah, man. So even the law,
Thank
yo, big up
you.
on yourself, peace officer.
Thank you.
You see me?
Yeah.
Man, I watch you a long time. And it's a long time I watch me. So imagine how much law officers watching us a long time. Lawyer, judge, pilot,
Thank you.
jury.
Hey, that has made my day. You know? Feels
Hey,
so good.
Just so good. Yeah man, so remember to keep it positive because the police is watching, so please keep it positive.
Yeah.
I don't want the lawman them come look for you. You know, be careful what you say in my comment
No, that's
section.
not the case.
You know.
But honestly, big up to Jamaican police, and I think it's just like something all over. Police are also human beings. If you give them that, like yesterday, you know what you were saying, if you give them that bad attitude,
You will get it
save
back, of
you know?
course.
But if you give them that calm, good attitude, you get it back.
You get it back.
Yeah.
But once it them pull you over, you go and move like a hooligan. They're gonna deal with you like a
Yes,
hooligan, and trust me,
yes.
them like doing that. So the more
Just always be
Just
calm and
cooperate.
give them
Yeah,
good
man.
attitude.
respect me, Jenna.
Some jelly water.
Jelly water.
Yes.
Wash off your heart.
Yeah.
Wash off your heart.
We can stop for a second. Yeah. Hey, meeting that police has made my day. I feel so good.
Don't it? And the way you walk past and don't say anything, I'm saying D,
Huh?
you're a police officer there.
He was just looking and
Just
being
looking
quiet.
quiet.
It's hot now.
So we stop for a minute to get jelly water. You know the thing, D can pass and I get them. The food I go down because through your walk. So right now we are get some jelly water. In it goes already. Jelly water time. Jelly! See the jelly man here? Okay. So we're gonna get some jelly. Right here. Nice coconut, cool jelly. Yeah man, YouTube. So big up yourself then man, big up yourself.
Big up everybody, you know.
Tell them when them stay what them can get.
Yeah man, you come and watch, you get a jelly, you get your rum, you get you get all kind of things, fruits and everything.
And when them see you, what them can get.
But we can get music, they can get air fresheners and them thing there.
Okay.
Alright?
You know a long time I see somebody make me look short. look, no me look short.
Yeah,
All the
big up
time,
yourself.
every time,
Yeah,
you know.
alright,
Big up
yeah,
yourself,
welcome man.
Yeah man, continue those man. It's so long me not see somebody make me look short. Hey, look at that. Give me two sweetest jelly them we have. Two sweetest.
Jelly water is the best. You know? never walk past
What's that
the
live on it?
line if you want to live a healthy life.
Two of the sweet ones.
Sweet other one?
Yes, sir.
The big one.
Wow.
It has plenty of water, right?
Only for us.
You now can walk again.
I can walk again. It's the best.
Alright,
So when I get some
Right there.
alright.
Right.
One more?
Yeah, one more. Fish. And that one now.
The
That
meat,
one.
you know, is the best. The meat.
Finish that one too.
No, I can't finish mine.
Come on. You have to do it. I
I
dare
can't
you.
finish. I'm carrying it in the house.
I dare you to finish
You know,
it right
look.
now.
I look pregnant already. This is the best part. Right here, the meat. You know, Busha told me if you eat the meat, you have lots of sperm count because of the meat.
That's what
Jellyman, you knew that? The meat helps the men to have lots of sperm count.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, that's what
so
they
true,
said.
right?
True.
True.
Yeah. So all men never pass by the Jellyman. There we go.
No. That water.
That's all the water. Kino.
The meat.
Five on that.
Where's the spoon? The spoon is there. Yeah, see there.
Oh, the spoon is there. Alright.
Take it off.
I have mine. Thank you.
The way this jelly big, they get 2 spoons.
There you go, guys. This, so because I don't have my money yet, I'm eating on his behalf. He'll get it from me.
They're eating it from his behalf.
He'll get it from me.
Hey.
So good.
You can't walk. She can't walk, can't talk.
Tastes so good with the lime. Wow. More advanced taste.
Yeah, because when you eat lime, there's not even a face expression on you. When you eat a lime just like that or the sour orange. Not one face expression when she eat anything that's sour.
My mouth is a sour mouth.
I realize
It's
that.
not sugary.
No.
Sugar is what gives me faces. But the sour stuff, oh Lord, I love.
Love it. I noticed that. Hello.
Done.
That is it.
The rest is for Kino.
No, we have one more to go. Go on.
Okay.
And we're eating from behalf of him. So you're eating from behalf of that man when him reach. You know? So you're building a sperm count for him, right?
He'll get it from me.
Build up.
Look at that. Slimy just like the spams.
That is it. I'm gonna have my one now.
Okay.
Everyone has mine, so run me. So I build up already.
That is it.
Build up.
For more babies, Kina.
Some more babies.
Huh? How does it taste? Wonderful.
It's like it's more babies.
More babies? That
More.
is it.
Where you say mommy more grand?
Uh-huh.
Mommy says she want more grand.
Mommy, more grand.
More grand. Alright.
100.
100 grand.
Uh-huh.
Cash or child? Which one?
Child.
Child. You sure she's not talking about the cash deal? Mom just want 100 grand. Not child.
There we come,
There you
mommy. You finished? Okay.
Finish.
All right. Thank you so much. Hey, this looks so big.
Imagine
Yo.
that. I dare you to finish that right now.
A day.
I dare you to drink this right now and finish it.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get it.
You're gonna drink it
It
right.
has a lot of water or milk? Wow.
Listen, I don't want to see you lie down. Take your phone up. Let's go.
Alright, guys.
Well. That's it, love. So, yeah, so back from walking on the main street. You know, we are back here. You know, just for a minute because, you know, we're gonna head back down to the beach side. You know, so we're gonna head that down to the beach. So we're just here drinking sorrel beer. You know, sorrel beer. I mean, most of you know when you come to Jamaica and drink this, I like the sorrel beer. It's nice. Not promoted, but I'm gonna tell you, it's drink just like sorrel with a bit of lager taste. So yeah, we're back here. Back here now at the Airbnb resort. You know. So I guess I never showed the full pool section and how it is, you know. So I guess you know already probably see it and these Moango's Chanel, but for me this is how it is at the pool side. Yeah, but you know, also a musical play over there, so as you can see, lovely. It's a nice chill cozy area. Nice chill cozy area at the pool side. Yes, so see, that's the pool area where you can come have a chill time. So I guess the beach side is much better than here, you know. Pool, still water, so we want some salt water. So we're gonna walk to the beach side down by the other side where they might be, we call that cruise ship and them thing there, you know. So the cruise ship down there, so right in the middle here you got the pool for everyone that's in here. So this is a tour of it. So I guess all the houses them that's there, as you can see, you know, it's very nice, it's very calm around here, it's quiet. As you can see, it's very quiet. So this is the pool area. I feel like coming back home to chill, so come here, chill for a minute. So you know, we're gonna walk back down to where the beach is, you know, to get some beach vibes, you know. So my neighbor D Mwango, she's over there, yeah, trying to finish upload a video. Hello neighbor. You okay, neighbor?
I'm doing good.
There's my neighbor over there chilling, so she's doing good. So yes guys, so yes, so this is it. This place is very beautiful, you know. It's very calm, quiet, you know, and it's got, the best thing about it as well, it's got some nature vibes around here. You know, you got the breadfruit tree right here. Breadfruit, they got breadfruit and tree. You got breadfruit and tree here. It looks ready. Look, you got breadfruit and tree right here. Them breadfruit here look ready. Looks like you have a breadfruit tree right here. I have another one right here. So you have two breadfruit trees in a yard. So this is look at nature vibes with the breadfruit tree. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Them breadfruit ain't ready yet.
Need about. Try it then. Oh yeah, me already. You want to do the roast? Then I already need the roast.
I'm ready for roast yet. Oh, yeah, boiling one.
Boiling one.
Oh, roast and fry. Roast and fry. So what's this, the laundry room? Huh? Oh, how long left you? Oh, is this the laundry room? Okay. This is a towel, we do all the towels up, right? Yeah. Okay. So how long you feel like they got ready?
That one?
Well, we see a couple more. Is there any more up there we can roast?
See these roast breadfruits?
Yeah.
They probably have some in the tree, like in the top. Probably have some grounds, man.
Oh, somebody we can climb it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you have another tree over there, so yeah. Look, this is about nature vibes. You know, another breadfruit tree here. Okay. Okay. You have one more breadfruit there. So, Ochi, I see the country. See me if I don't think I don't know. You are North Coast country. This. Yeah, this is North Coast country. So as you can see that, this has some nature surrounded. Another breadfruit tree here. Hey. Another breadfruit tree there. We got breadfruit on it. It's so like me here a river. A road next over here so. Is that river I'm hearing? I just discovered a river. Yes. We can't even see it. We can't even walk down here from here. But I know if you can hear it, I can see. Okay, there's a river run down right there, so through there. Like a little fall around there. I don't know what's behind there, but like a little fall, as you can see. So this is like the back part. You have another breadfruit tree as well to right here, so you have quite a few breadfruit trees. So this is the back part of the house. You know, this is the back part. I don't know if you guys can hear the river. I literally running down. Oh, over here, so what's over here, so? It sounds like the mystic. There's a fall over here. I guess we need to go and check out over here, so and see what's over there. But yes, man. So this is the back part of where we're staying. You know, it's calm, quiet. You know, very calm, very quiet. So yes, so as you can see, this is like a tour of what it's like here where we're staying, you know. So we're gonna put that is it. Well, that is it. So it's not that big, you know. Much of walking up and down can get done. I guess they can go up there as well too, and you can walk around there. So here is probably where they keep them events, you know, but no event not go on. You know, so there's no event going on, so then probably keep the events of what's going on. So I'm giving you a walk and talk. So this is a nice place, very calm. You can come here and chill, spend some time with your family. You know, you just look like the dance floor. You can keep your party. Alright, them have events going on. So you have down here, you have up here, but it seems like, oh, this place I've been using a while. Okay, this place I've been using in a while. So I think it's out of use. It have been used in a long while. So Tell me what you think, you know. Remember, please watching. If you're watching, put the thumbs up. And remember, always like before watching. And I'm here in Ocho Rios. You know, we went to have breakfast earlier today. You know, it was Oliver and Carl that brought us there the last time we was here. I think it was for the New Year's when we went to the concert. We were there, you know, and I had the rundown. So when I came today, I have to have about the same rundown, you know, because I'm a big fan of rundown. I know, I'm just hooked and rubbed now. Rundown is my thing, you know, it's definitely my thing. So this is it. Yeah, that is it. So that is it, guys. So remember, please, if you're watching, put the thumbs up. And if you like it, put the thumbs up. And if you're watching and like it, you know, subscribe, go and subscribe. You know, keep it moving, keep the life in Jamaica. So we're gonna get ready now to go down to the beach. So I will take you guys down to the beach with me. So let's get ready, put on your swimwear and ready for go truck off down there. Okay? Yeah.
My favorite Jamaican wear.
Alright, so we're ready now to go to the beach.
Yes, and check it out. Yo, come along.
Ready, so yes, we're heading to the beach. It's getting a bit late, but we're still gonna catch it. Is it at night or day? So you know it goes when time I was waiting on my neighbor. She was taking long. You know, I don't know what's going on. I've been knocking at her door for come go beach. Ready?
Girls will take long to get ready.
I know ladies take so long. But I'm not bashing them. But
yeah, guys, so we headed to the beach. Let me know how you're loving my new hairstyle, but honestly, me love it. You know?
It's banging.
It's banging, right?
Booming.
Booming. And today I met so many of you guys. Thanks for the love.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for the support. You guys means the whole world to me. And be sure to support Kino as well. If you Team D, you know how we do it. It's over 1 month with Kino.
Exactly.
Actually, this is our 2nd month.
Well, we've gone a month. It's 1 month now.
It's done. Past 1 month.
Past 1 month. Wow.
Yeah. That's good, right?
Great.
Happy 1 month anniversary to us. Right, Kino?
Of course, we've been doing a lot of work. Look at all it good. Yes, we've been doing a lot of work, and that's great, you know?
Yes.
Taking care of the Empress from Kenya.
Thank you, Kino. You're the best. You're the best,
Where's
best,
the Siki now?
best,
Siki.
best. I didn't know I could come to Jamaica and meet people like Kino. Wow, big up Jamaica. Big up to all the people that I've ever met. Collar Smith, big up, bro. Miss Little Hot Kitchen, O'Shane, Shane, J-Bad. Everybody. Big up to you, yes. Camille Vlogs, Gun Guard, Life with Gun Guard. We love
team.
you guys, you're the best. The Dream Team, the Rasta Friends. Yeah. Everybody, big up to you all, guys. So we're stepping out for the beach. It's evening. Evening beach walks are normally the best. I personally love it. I don't know if we can have a sunset. I have no idea.
I don't think so because it looked like it was raining. But it was raining, so you know, it's gonna still overcast here, so
Alright.
we're not gonna have any sunset. But one of those, right?
Yes, sir. So let's keep going. Let's do this.
Oliver and Carla bring us down here as well. Here's the cruise ship. Yeah, Oliver and Carla is a great man. I'd say you're gonna meet him.
Alright, guys, we're just stepping out right now, headed to the beach, and I think we're gonna park here.
I was staying right over here. It's dolphin, fisherman. Yeah, so guys, remember this is where Oliver was staying. Right over there in Kala. Last year January these times, you remember? So we're here back on the stretch. We got the cruise ship down there. You see the cruise ship down there? Whoa, so we're back. Oliver, this is your road as well. Hey, there's so much place Oliver and Carla, you know, make us know, you know, make us enjoy some life. Look at that, you know. Big up yourself, Oliver and Carla, you know. Looking forward to see you very soon, you know, very soon. Carla, Diana, big up yourself, love. So the cruise ship is over there. Unless you want to go on the cruise, D. We're going to the direction of the cruise. We're going this way.
Oh,
okay. Come cruise, girl. The cruise, the beach is there. Can I walk through there, sir? You got the beach?
No, I'm watching everything now.
Come. Come, D. Blessed love. Aye. Big up.
with my good vibes handbag.
Good vibes. You see, because she have a good vibes, so she have that good vibes handbag. See a jelly then, no more jelly.
Not just
Belly full.
Yeah.
Belly full.
You know, dream car, guys. One day, one time.
One day, you know.
One day, one time.
Take on the road, right?
Mm-hmm.
That will take on the road.
Adventures.
Hey, take on the road.
Oh Lord, Kino.
And you have the man with the legs. Look, see there? Tallest legs there.
Yeah, man, that's my bro.
Cool, man. You go up, see craft here.
Yeah, man, that's the local craft vendor, so if you want to take a look before they go, no problem.
Yeah?
No boat for you, okay?
Boat tour?
Yeah, man.
No. You do what business?
Parasailing and them thing there.
You do what
We
business?
have to come earlier to do that though.
Yeah, man, you have sunset evening cruise are going on. Evening sunset cruise. Yeah, evening now. See that, man?
You want to make your time.
Okay.
Tony's water
yeah.
sports. Okay, big up yourself on my YouTube channel then.
Okay.
Big up your thing on our YouTube
Yeah, man, I
channel.
just be a sense I do it, you see me?
Yes, yeah, big up yourself so when them come here, them can see you.
Alright, now
I
my
know.
procedure, man. One love and respect, you know?
Yeah.
All about the biggest sense in the world.
Alright, then so if anything we are coming early tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I
man.
mean, that's the timing now.
Yeah.
So I'm
I
not
would
sure
have
if
joke around the game, man. The game is big. So
Yes,
we have
sir.
whole heap of game, you know?
Yeah.
Big ganja.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay, you know, so they're well trustworthy once the people them
Yeah,
get
man,
here,
I
them
know,
know,
man.
so
I
them
like
know.
the company, you know,
Like
man,
the
and
company.
everything's legit and straight, you know. No lean and
Yeah.
boy business are going on, you know.
So the dolphin thing, to do it over here, sir?
Yeah, man, you go up there, get to see them, feed them, enjoy yourself, you know.
Okay.
So just big up yourself, because you don't know for your straight, you get for road, but if you're not straight, you can't forward.
You can't forward for it.
Yeah, you know. Starbucks today, I know, so just go and big up yourself for the
Yeah.
queen. Nah, man,
So
free.
if I come, I can say, oh, that's all.
Yeah, you can take the number and
Yeah.
you're ready. You just ASAP me. I'm
Yeah,
gonna meet
yeah.
you. You have the market, the Benz, the Bimmer.
Aye.
And just park up.
Yeah.
Room in a head, man. You don't
Well,
know.
I'm take your number because
Yeah.
if you want to do that as well too,
Yeah.
put the number in there.
Alright, my God.
Yeah, man, greatness, man. Yeah, man. So there you again once
Yeah, man,
more.
I send you the whole full file. Let me just show
Yeah.
you. Now send it to you.
I say my one ring.
You see the boat right thing.
The parasailing?
7,000 for a person. But the discount you get $5,000. And you see parasailing.
Yeah.
200, 250 and 200 US, but yeah, the price will be like 14,000 a person.
A person.
Yeah.
I like that. I try that. That one try in the parasailing.
Yeah, and you have glass bottom boat. As I said, 7, you have a speed boat, the high roller. Start from the newest high roller boat, start from 250 to 300 US.
Okay.
Yeah, we give a blind at 200 US.
So you give me a discount then.
Yes, because you have to deal with people, you can't be unfair and thing and greedy. You have to deal with people on a level and normal procedure on the budget, you know?
Spread the love.
Yeah, man.
Spread the
So you
love,
go, man.
I will give thanks for that.
That's
Yeah,
cool,
but I
God.
name Tony.
Alright.
You are Tony.
Water
Alright.
Sports Company.
Alright then, big up, yeah man. So that's Tony Water Sports Company. Look, we're back here. Back. to Cali. So we here where Starbucks is. You know how it goes, Starbucks there. You know, see the sign there, Jamaica. You know, Jamaica. So we're here again, wonderful. We're back again, you know, this spot where Oliver and Carla, you know, we come over here to eat, you know. As let me say, Oliver make me know some places. So while Oliver make me know some places, I'm sharing the same places with Demo and go. You know, she can come and enjoy the same thing that we enjoy as well too. You know, it goes already. So if you enjoy it same way, like how we enjoy it, don't it? You know, so big up yourself. We can't stop thank Oliver and Carla.
I got the entry somewhere. Wow, this place looks. What? The water?
The water. Come.
The water looks so clean and
So watch the. I got lost ourselves now.
I can't
Through
get
there.
lost.
Over by where you say Fireball.
Oh right, Fireball. That's the entrance.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to Margaret's Affair.
Hello.
You guys would like a table for dining?
No, not yet. Hello. Yeah, so I guess the beach, it is what it is. So guys, the beach is already closed off, so I guess them close the beach from around 6, well them close the beach at 6 o'clock. The time is now, well it's not 6 yet, so it's about 5:30. As I say, True went home, went back to the house, he was editing and all that stuff, so end up coming to about the beach late, you know, so couldn't get to do anything much. But you know, the beach closed off at 6 o'clock, so now we just go and patrol, doing some inside, you know. I'm saying you probably see it already from the last video, you know, when I was here with Oliver and his wife Carla. You know, the wonderful, pretty beach. You know, pretty, so wonderful. So yes, I hope you're enjoying what I'm showing you. So this is it. Best I love it here. So over there you have the cruise ship. So I guess we have to come here early tomorrow so we can get some swim on. Right, so now we are late at the beach. So I'm saying better late than never. So look at this. Better late than never. So up here you have a trampoline where you can go and jump. Oh, the cruise ship will leave. Oh Lord. The cruise ship leaving. The cruise ship is leaving.
Where does it leave to?
The cruise ship, I don't know if it's going to another Caribbean.
Well, maybe that's what I'll do. When I'm leaving Jamaica, if it's going to Cuba, I think it should be going to Cuba, right?
You can check it out, because you have some of them will go Cuba as well too.
Right? I think when I'll be leaving Jamaica, I'll go with a ship.
The cruise ship.
Yeah, cruise ship.
That would be a good idea as well too.
Yeah, I did it already in Sweden, going to Finland. It was amazing. You have the bed, you have everything. It feels like a mall. There's everything in there. I hope it's the same thing with this one.
But you have a website where you can go and check it out.
Yeah.
Right? All you have to do is check it out on the website.
Wow.
And then you can go and see.
Welcome to Jamaica.
You like it? Come here and get a shot here.
Yeah, I want to take a picture here.
Yeah, come. Right by the Jamaica sign. So this is the famous Jamaica sign. When you see, this is Margaritaville.
Yeah. Here we are represented. Good vibes.
Good vibes. Hey, Jamaica. So this is the Margaritaville.
People always sit here until it's faded.
Yeah, this is where everyone come and take pictures.
Hey.
This is
if you don't reach here, you haven't been to Ocho.
Exactly.
Wow,
Look.
the beach.
Look, this is shine.
250k loading.
Hey, so on the road to 50k.
Yes, guys. Please be sure to subscribe. Kino Life in Jamaica. He's the best. He's amazing. I'm having a good time in Jamaica, and I love it. Thank you, Kino. God bless. Alright, guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram, D Mwango Official, because I wanna take some pictures.
Yeah, so guys, so watch D Mwango's poses. So right now, picture time, so you're gonna see everything what's going on right now. So I'm the photo man right now, so tell me what you think.
I should have carried my bikini though.
Ocho come out late.
Huh?
Come out
Tomorrow
late.
is a day.
Yeah. And yes guys, please, yes, we're gonna take her to Duns River. Because I know them gonna say, Kino, take her to Duns River. Yes, she will go Duns River, don't worry. She can't miss it. She here in Ocho. Duns River is like 2 minutes down the road. So we are right next door to Duns River. Right, D?
Yeah, that is it.
That is it. You know, ma? It's like a thumbnail. Let me fix. This is a thumbnail. Fix my cap. I know them I will catch you at a lie. Yeah, this is a thumbnail.
Welcome to Ochi, guys.
That is it. So yeah, she's gonna go to Duns River. Don't worry, she's going. She is going. Ready? What I want? But there, so there I take my picture and watch it. From this way, getting some light.
Yeah.
But we definitely come here tomorrow.
We're gonna come tomorrow.
Yeah, because it's gonna be dark for you.
Videography.
Let me try to take you from here to see what it looks like.
Let me do my hair, wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, from this direction you get more brighter light. Look.
Gosh, look at this. This is Jamaica. Wait. Wow.
Yes. Yes. So this is the night time here at the Margarita. So we're at the Margarita Beach, you know, Margaritaville. And most of you probably know I've been here at Margaritaville. You know, this is my second time coming here at the Margaritaville. So tomorrow we'll definitely come here in the day, you know, come enjoy ourselves. Look how beautiful this is, same way during the day. You know, it's wonderful. Lovely, right, Dee?
Beautiful, wow. And it's at night.
It's at night. But it closes off at 6. Yes, so guys, so we're gonna, so I'm here now, we're gonna get something to go and chef up quick and fast. You know,
That's so good.
We're going black beans again tonight. From these. First, we want to get even plantains as well too. Put inside of it.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah, get some seasoning. Get some. Yeah, you want. Yeah, so looking for some ripe plantain. Come like for ripe plantain, right?
The ripe plantain are the best.
Carrot.
Oh wow. Kino is the chef. He's telling me what to buy.
Yeah, you need carrot as well.
What about
I do my black beans different, you know. Oliver show me to add some spice to it. You know, some spice. Add some carrot to it and then
How many?
Just
guys, Jamaican carrots, wow, the best. You know,
The
you're
best.
laughing. I'm just saying Jamaican carrots are the best.
Of course it's the best.
Look at how they look so healthy.
They're the best.
How many?
Too good, too good. Eh?
Love the Jamaican carrot.
Yeah. Yes, she love the Jamaican carrot.
Everybody comes to Jamaica from home.
Hey,
Cassava.
this it's like the man of ripe planting like that. No ripe planting, avocado.
Oh, I need to tell Miss Little Hot Kitchen I left some avocado. They were not ripe, you remember? So that they can eat them.
More.
Can we have the porridge for the morning?
Sorry.
I don't know if they have a blender.
They don't.
But let me just have it.
They don't have a blender.
Only one plantain?
Them are ripe.
Oh, they're not right.
Cause it's up. Can you find no ripe one?
No.
Well, see everything.
Some tomatoes?
Yeah.
Tomatoes?
No one ripe.
How many? 4. So that until tomorrow, right?
Alright. No ripe plantain.
We can get them from the street, right?
B.
Wow, this is actually nice. For the rice and beans. But not today, maybe for Saturday.
Yeah, not today. Alright, so let me get the sweet pepper. Yes guys, so we'll finish cashing now. Do you get it? Alright, so we'll finish getting what we're getting now. So,
Wow,
finish
guys. Jamaica is too expensive for life. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm like, what? I want to run away. It's too much, trust me. Lord.
Yeah.
Trust me, we just bought some food for like 2-3 days. How much did we spend?
Over
like
12,000.
plus this, it's like 13,000. Imagine!
Yeah.
And we're shopping from a supermarket.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
No, but it's a supermarket with more expensive.
With 13,000 in Kenya, the supermarkets are the cheapest. Cheapest than anywhere else.
Okay.
13,000 in Kenya, Kino, you could be pushing the trolley out. I swear.
No, come out with a little box. Imagine that.
They can see.
With a small box, you know. Well, Jamaica really expensive. It's getting more and more, you know. So yes, we grab some stuff so we're gonna cook, you know, because okay. I mean, I tell you guys, Jamaica. The Chinese them are wrap up Jamaica, boy. Supermarkets price them gone up. Sky right eye. Yeah man, so this is a supermarket Champion. You name that collect some Champion price. So a Champion price to collect. So just imagine that. It's collecting some Champion price. So yes, so it's time to head home now. It's that time now to go home. It's that time.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.